Hi mathematicians! In this video we are going to continue what we started yesterday, adding two negative numbers together. And remember from the previous video that it's helpful to think about it in terms of a model. So -5 we could represent with 5 little negative chips. Adding means that we're going to combine, we're going to put it together with 2 little negative chips. So we've got a total, so we've got 5 negatives here, and then we have 2 more negatives here. How many negatives do we have all together? We have 7 negatives, which we're going to write as a -7. That was a really ugly 7, so let me fix that. So -7. Now for example 2, exactly the same idea. So we have 6 negatives, which are representing that -6, and then we have 4 more negatives, which is represented by those 4 negatives. So if we combine 6 negatives and 4 negatives, we get a total of 10 negatives. So that will be represented by a -10. Okay, last but not least, we've still got the exact same idea. We're going to represent a -6 with 6 negatives, and we're going to add it to a -8, which is going to be 8 more negatives. So if we combine -6 and -8, we have a pile of 14 negatives, which is represented by -14.